Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this CMF Nothing Buds Pro. So I'm going to show you how to do factory reset to this earbud. So just we have to open this case lid here and there will be a button here. You can see very tiny button here. So we have to hold this for continuously 10 seconds exactly. So the red light will blink here. You can see there is a light here which is not glowing now. So 3 times red light will blink. Until that we have to hold this button. So without wasting any time, let me do that. So I'm going to press this for 10 seconds. You can see 3 times red light is blinking. That's it. Factory reset has been done to this CMF Nothing Buds Pro. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.